2019 वर्सा जावपी वेंचणूक भाजपाक फलदायी आसतली आनी परत एकदां भाजपाचे सरकार केंद्रात आसतले अशें दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार नरेंद्र सावयकर म्हणटा. गोंयांत भाजपान केल्ली कामां पळोवन गोंयांतले दोनूय भाजपाचे सीट येतले अशें तो मुखार उलयला. पणजेच्या नार्डिक स्को खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिग्स.
How do you see this victory in Karnataka for 2019 now?
You see, the 2019, I feel that the kind of faith that the people of Karnataka have reposed in the Bharatiya Janata Party, and I think this is the perhaps maybe the 22nd state in India wherein the Bharatiya Janata Party would form the government, and if this trend continues, as I said it, that the people of India have reposed, almost 69% of the population of India is being covered because of the electoral victories in the various states. If that is the case, then in that case the 2019 is quite sure and clear that the Bharatiya Janata Party would again form the government in the center under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
With this result, is it an easy cakewalk for the two seats in the state, looking at the trend?
You see that why I should compare with something what is happening in another state. What we should do is basically we should look at it, the kind of the performance that we have given as an MP. Correct. In both the states, in both the constituencies, and I'm quite confident that in last 4 years the amount of the work that we have done and amount of the assistance that we got from the central government so far as the development of the entire state is concerned, and amount of efforts that we have put in. So I'm sure that people of Goa would again repose the faith in the Bharatiya Janata Party candidates in the forthcoming parliamentary election. See, the people of Karnataka have rejected Congress party, आणि थंय तेंच्यांनी आयज भारतीय जनता पार्टी सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी म्हणून आयज कर्नाटकान वेचून आयिल्ली आसा. कर्नाटकांतल्या सगळ्या जनतेन आयज भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या फाटल्यान आपलो विश्वास दवरलेलो आसा, आणि ताका लागून आयज भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे आयच्या ह्या टायमा प्रमाण सादारण 105 आमदार हे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे जिखून आयिल्ले आसात. आनीक आमच्या देशाचे प्रायम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी आणि तशेंच पार्टीचे प्रेसिडेंट श्री अमित भाई शाह यांची दोगांची लिडरशीप ही आयज अख्ख्या इंडिये भितर लोकांनी एक्सेप्ट केल्ली आसा. दे हॅव रिपोज देअर फेथ इन द लिडरशीप. आनीक एक जो डेव्हलपमेंटाचो एजेंडा घेवन भारतीय जनता पार्टी अख्ख्या गोंय इंडिये बरोबर वचपाक सोदता, त्याचोच हो एक परिणाम आसा की जाका लागून थंयच्या कर्नाटकांतल्या लोकांनी सुद्दां आयज भारतीय जनता पार्टीचेर विश्वास दवरला आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टी आज सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी म्हणून जिखून आयिल्ली आसा.
But it looks obviously like a hung assembly there, or even single largest party mandate कोणा. So हितून आतां थिंगा hobnobbing already चल्लेलें आसा. How do you still believe that your party can form the government there?
You see, we are the single largest party, and as per the तेका लागून ह्या सगळ्या हातून I'm quite confident and sure की Honorable Governor will invite the Bharatiya Janata Party being the single largest party. आणि ते भारतीय जनता पार्टीन ऑलरेडी स्टेक केल्लो आसा, आणि थंय जो कितें कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल प्रोसिजर जो आसा तो फॉलो करून ऑनरेबल गव्हर्नर जो आसा तो त्या प्रमाणे डिसिजन घेतलो हेजेर आमचो विश्वास आसा.
So it looks like the same scenario which had taken place in Goa, where Congress was the single largest party. Still then there were this allegation saying that the BJP was allowed to form the government and all. Then how do you see this now? And even the Congress leaders in Karnataka are using the same term of Goa scenario. So तुम्ही कशा पळयता?
See, I think one should not compare a state on one similar lines. In fact, it differs from state to state, and the scenario which was in Goa is quite different from that what is in Karnataka. So I think it's not proper on the part of any leadership to say that they're trying to compare the situation in Goa at the relevant time or otherwise in the Karnataka in the present times. So as of now, that the BJP is the single largest party, I'm confident that the BJP will form government in Karnataka.